Welcome to Box Breakers, celebrating your 11th year on eBay. Today's break number 736. We're opening one box of 1415 ITG Superlative Vault Hockey. Our last winning bid was for the Winnipeg Jets, and it ended June 8th at 9:59 p.m. And according to timeanddate.com, it is currently 10:35 a.m. Tuesday, June 9th. That's Eastern Time, local time at Toronto, Ontario. One box, 1415 Superlative Vault. Okay. Let me get that phone out around. First card, Super Mario. Oh, just my focus here. 1/1, Mario Lemieux. Front of this card, piece of game used, Mario Lemieux, Pittsburgh Penguins jersey. Enjoy a piece of hockey history. So first card goes to Penguins. Ryan Kessler, emblem plus auto. Nice. On the front of this card, signed by Ryan Kessler, the authenticity autograph is guaranteed. And the foil stamp at the front of this card indicates the piece of Ryan Kessler game used we have received. Enjoy your piece of hockey history. Kessler is Vancouver. Let's still double check. Kessler trade. Yeah, Vancouver. Because I've got no indication, but card goes to Vancouver. His current team. Yeah, Vancouver. Brilliant. Oh, it's like two. Oh no, he's Ducks now. Right. He was traded to the Ducks. Let's see if we got something written Vancouver here. Front of this card, let me read it for you guys. Front of this card, sign, authentic, stamp indicates a piece of Ryan Kessler game used. Enjoy a piece of hockey history. Okay, so we have no mention of a team in the back. Superlative, Ryan Kessler. There's no logo. Well, I have no identification on this card whatsoever. So card goes to current team, and current team is Ducks. So card goes to Ducks. Next card. Wow, Milt Schmidt, Phyllis Esposito, and Cam Neely. Man, that one's easy. Superlative, the first 6 enshrined. Beautiful card. Look at that. Beautiful. Front of this card, pieces of game used. Milt Schmidt, Boston Bruins jersey, a Phyllis Esposito Boston jersey, and a Cam Neely Boston jersey. Oh, gold version, 1/1. Beautiful, beautiful card. The older style jersey and 2 and 3 colors. So card goes to Boston. Okay, what do we have? Superlative, Phil Coffey, Gary Curie, Phil Esposito, and Jean Rattel. Rookie retired. Okay, in my classic for that one. Okay, we've got 80 and 81 season. You have received rookie retired card from. Oh, we've got some info here. Let's write this down. Okay, you guys can see it. Yeah, that's clear enough. Okay, in front of this card are pieces of game used Paul Coffey Oilers. So first on card is Oilers. Let me see here, Paul Coffey. Okay, a game used Addy Curie Oilers again. Addy Curie Oilers. So 2 Oilers. and then probably two Rangers, and then Rattel Rangers, right? And then Phyllis Blues two Rangers. Enjoy a piece of house. Okay, it's a season. Okay, Oilers against Rangers. Now I get it. Okay, so we're going to randomize this card between Oilers and Rangers. But having 4 players, we'll put two Oilers and 2 Rangers. Perfect. So we have 1 card to be randomized. I'm all set up, like always, on random.org. So let's just get to the screen. Okay, so we're on random.org. Under the list randomizer. Okay, to be clear, this is the card we're randomizing between Oilers and Rangers. So, Oilers for Coffee. Oilers again, second on card for Crudy. Then we got Rangers, which is third on card for Rattel. And Rangers again for Esposito. So this is the order we have on the front of the card. 2 Oilers, 2 Rangers, and then something in the back. 2 Oilers are first, and then the 2 Rangers. The card will be randomized 3 times. Team that's on top the 3 times wins the card. For those unfamiliar with this procedure, all the information is available on my description page. So here we go. Randomize once. We've got Rangers on top. Randomize twice. Rangers still on top. 2 Rangers on top. And a third time, we got Oilers on top. You have randomized this list 3 times. Oilers wins this card. Okay, for a quick recap of our hits. Let's just get here. Okay, so, whoops. So, Oilers gets the quad jersey card. We've got Boston for the triple jersey card. Ryan Kessler, we have no identification on the card, so it goes to the current team. Current team is Ducks. And Mario Lemieux obviously goes to Pittsburgh. So that concludes our break number 736. Be sure to check out our box breaks tonight. We got 6 of them ending between 8 and 10:30 p.m. We've got some totally certified, some Superlative Vault, some Ultimate Vault, SP Game Use. More appeal all the time. My name is Gilles. We thank you all from Box Breakers, your one-stop shop for box breaks.